Hello and welcome to this box break. It's a 1920 hockey allure hobby box. Got 8 packs per box, 6 cards per pack, and a couple bonus packs here. That's another hobby pack of the allure. And we got the National Hockey Card Day. They threw that in there. So first things first, we'll pop this box open. All kinds of hits in these ones. It's parallels after parallels. I've already opened up one of these and it was pretty good. Alright. Throw that over here out of my way. There's the 8 packs out of that. So we'll save the other 2 for later. First pack. Panarin. Base. We got top 50. Joey Decourt, goalie. I'm going to come from the back. We got a base, Jake Gunsel, and Phil Kessel, base. And Philip Myers, rookie jersey. It's white. So it's the red rainbow jersey. So it seems to be the first pack. I got that last time in my first pack. The jersey. Okay, pack 2. Oliver Ekman-Larsson base. We'll come from the back because we got some nice ones here, I think. Alexander Barkov base. Nikita Gutsev, rookie. Nick Suzuki, rookie. Orange slice. Beautiful. Look at that one. 175 of 199. That's a hot rookie right there, Nick Suzuki. And what do we got here? Iced out Carey Price. Beautiful. Look at that card. That is a nice card. Dark card. I never got one of these in my last box. Very nice card. I like that. And Alexander Texture. His rookie. Okay. Start at the back. Jack Hughes, rookie. Number 1 pick. Cam Atkinson, base. Ben Bishop, base. And PK Subban, base. Rookie white rainbow, Trent Frederick. And another top 50. Okay, we'll start from the back again. Adam Fox, rookie. Seth Jones, base. Johnny Gaudreau, base. Nico Hirsch's base. Zach Senyshyn, red autograph, rainbow. And David Pasternak, open ice. Those are nice with the hole in them there. Die cut. That was a lot sooner in the box than my last signature. Barrett Hayton, rookie. And we'll go from the back. Carson Kuhlman, rookie. And Nick Suzuki, rookie. That's just the base. Joe Pavelski, red rainbow. Oliver Wahlstrom, top 50. Anthony Mantha, base. 3 packs remaining out of the box. Matt Duchene, base. Jack Eichel, base. Soup, Ilya Mikheyev, rookie. Philip Myers, rookie. White rainbow, rookie. Noah Dobson. And Max Jones, high number rookie. Eric Brandstrom, rookie. Joe Sperance, rookie. Dylan Larkin, base. Nathan Bastian, rookie. Zach McEwen, top 50. What do we got back here? Something. Mikko Rantanen. Steel. Number 4 of 50. What a beauty that one is. I have not gotten one of those ones yet. Very nice. And last pack of the box. And then we'll go on to that extra pack. Kirby Dach, rookie. Cale Fleury, rookie. Sidney Crosby, base. Jack Hughes, white rainbow rookie. Evgeny Malkin, winter storm warning. That's a nice one there. And finish up with Philip Sedina, rookie. Now we'll go to this National Hockey Card Day pack. Joe Sakic, hockey hero. Nathan McKinnon, Pride of Canada. Rasmus Sandin, Canada's rookies. Maple Leaf rookie. Lenny McDonald, hockey hero. Mark Sheffield, Pride of Canada. And there's the checklist. No Carlton. And the one bonus hobby pack right here. Taro Hyros, rookie. Carey Price, base. Cody Glass, rookie. Cody Glass, red rookie. I believe I have this one. Nicholas Hague, top 50. That was Devil's pack, or Golden Knights pack. And Drew Doughty base. So all the hits in that pack were all the same. Awesome, lots of hits there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.